All right, let's talk about Melissa. Oh, Melissa. Melissa's my favorite. She will give everything of her just to make sure that other people are safe, other people have what they need. It's not about her, it's always about somebody else. And like, I just could not imagine. I mean, she's phenomenal. Melissa and I used to teach together at Evansville Elementary, and the two of us actually ran the greenhouse that used to be or that is still at Evansville Elementary to this day. Melissa has always had that, I don't know, this heart of gold, this heart that just wants to make sure that it's doing something for a community, that she's always taking like that next step to ensure that not only kids feel safe, but also like the community. And so what I'm loving the most is to know that Melissa took what we were doing here in at Evansville Elementary in Casper, and she brought it to Du Bois, Wyoming, where she's just expanded on it and been able to continue creating such amazing work and really getting that hands-on kind of learning that needs to happen that comes with it all. And so, like, I could not imagine a better Green Apple awardee. She's phenomenal. I'm just thrilled.